Is Jesus going to do when he comes?
Should be saved from our enemies.
That we should be saved from our enemies.
From the hand of all that hate us.
And from the hand of all that hate us. In case you don't know, in South Africa here, these white people, I don't care if they smile in your face, they hate you. Apartheid ended when? When did it end? 1994. That was 29 years ago. Let's say they were 10 years old. 10 years of living in apartheid, kicking you, spitting on you. 10 years. How old would they be today? Do the math for me, y'all know I'm saying. 39 years old. So if they're 39, they go, hi Aries, nice to see you Aries. 10 years of their life, they spit on you. We met a sister yesterday at Melrose. She is 40. She said that when she was young, the white police spit and beat her in her face. We said, why? She said, because she drank from the wrong water fountain. These people that hated you are still walking around, but now they're smiling you. Hi, you're my friend.